So first drive on the 24 Dark Horse with the Gen 6 Whipple Supercharger. Very first drive, stage 2. What did he say? He said no wide opens or wide opens?
He said
at your own risk.
Yeah.
That's all I heard.
I said we're doing wide open. He didn't.
It didn't.
Not say.
Yeah. It's nice because it's 56 degrees and this thing spins. Well, it used to spin stock, and now I don't know how much horsepower we're at. Probably like 850. Give or take. This is the first Dark Horse I think actually driven on the road ever. Spicy, dude. You don't like when I go that way.
Especially in a Supercharger. we may need bail money.
Which way should I go? I'm in sport mode right now. This thing's like trying to pop a wheelie or what? Bruh. I can't have this car. Yo, this thing is gonna get me in so much trouble. This is the GT350 all over again. Smell rubber?
No.
Better be from the tires. Everything's in sport mode. Dude. It just spins, dude, every gear. You like that rev match? Launch. What? Yo, should I use launch control?
Probably.
Launch control. Why is my gas gauge falling so fast, bro? Is it broken? I like it. Just gotta get used to the power now because it's double.
Why are people driving so slow?
They're actually doing speed limit, bro. I like how traction tries to help. Okay, you watch for cops. I'll drive.